Can't install or update League of Legends due to frustrating slow download speed, lingering at 0.1 Kbps or not moving at all? Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I've got you covered with a comprehensive guide on resolving the issue when League of Legends seems stuck at a sluggish pace. Let's jump right into the solutions. Solution 1. Restart the download. Close the Riot client. Open the system tray by clicking on the arrow icon. Right-click on Riot client and select Exit. Reboot your computer. Launch the Riot client again and check for improvements. Solution 2. Clear DNS cache. Open command prompts as an administrator. Type ipconfig/flushdns and press enter. Verify the message successfully flushed the DNS resolver cache. Close the window and check if the problem persists. Solution 3. Use an optimized DNS server. Open command prompt, type ping 1.1.1.1 and press enter. Note the ping values. Type ping 8.8.8.8 and note the ping values. In settings, go to network and internet, click on Ethernet and edit DNS server assignment. Select manual enable IPv4 if off and add the DNS server with the lowest ping to preferred DNS. For alternate DNS, use 1.0.0.1 if using 1.1.1.1 or 8.8.4.4 if using 8.8.8.8. Click Save and check for improvements. Solution 4. Adjust Task Manager priority. Open Task Manager by clicking on the taskbar. Click on Details in the left side menu. Locate Riot Client Services.exe. Right-click on it, hover over Set Priority and choose High. Click on Change Priority and restart your computer. That's it, you've successfully tackled the issue of League of Legends being stuck at 0.1 Kbps during updates or installations. If this video helped you out, show some love by hitting the like button. For any lingering questions, drop them in the comments and I'll be sure to get back to you. Thanks for tuning in and happy gaming!